trembles, but we stand still. The wind, it whispers of strength and will. Through cracks in stone, new life will spill. A fire burns but can't break our will. Feel the rhythm, feel the heat. Move your soul, move your feet. Above every smoke, there's a sky. Above every flame, a reason why. We ride, we ride, we rise so high. Above every smoke, there's a sky. Echoes of the drum, they call my name. In the heart of the fire, we're all the same. Through shadows we dance, through love we claim. The spark within is never tamed. The sun dips low behind the trees. Whispers ride the evening breeze. Shadows dance where the fire feeds. Time moves slow like drifting seas. Engines flame over the hill tonight. Burning stories in the fading light. Oh, they rise, oh, they glow. Engines flame and the spirits know. Drum beats call from the earth's deep core. Echoes bouncing off the ocean's roar. Smoke curls up to the heavens door. Silent truths we can't ignore. Engines flame over the hill tonight. Burning stories in the fading light. Oh, they rise, oh, they glow. Engines flame and the spirits know. eternal fight, one breath away from the endless night. The ancestors chant in the flickering sight, guiding hearts to what feels right. Ancients flame over the hill tonight, burning stories in the fading light. Oh, they rise, oh, they glow. Ancients flame, and the spirits know. footsteps tapping on sandy shores. Clouds may gather, rain may fall. Still I rise, I hear the call. Lift me up, Jah, like the sea, flowing endless, wild and free. Clean smile, Jah, shine it bright. Guide my heart through day and night. Clean smile, Jah, hold me true. Every color, red, gold, blue. The wind, it sings a melody. Leaves are dancing in harmony. Just laughter floats in the air. Feel it, breathe it everywhere. Oh. Golden skies and purple streams flowing through my crown of dreams. Whispers rise where silence screams. Hold the rhythm, let it guide. Feel the heartbeat deep inside. Truth and lies both collide. Crown of dream, crown of dream. Catch the light in every beam. Crown of dream, crown of dream. Life's a dance in the reggae steam. Waves of sound, they kiss the shore. Endless echoes call for more. Open hearts unlock the door. our light shine through the darkest day, but only if we find a way. Smoke curls high like a whispered prayer. The sun sinks low, but I just don't care. Ashes dance in the evening breeze. Fire in my heart won't ever freeze. Flame over child, burn it bright. Guide my soul through the endless night. Flame over child, keep me warm through the calm, through the storm. Drums beat low like a heartbeat strong. The world spins fast, but we move along. Echoes call from the mountainside, where truth and love will always abide. Let the ribbon flow. Let the embers glow. Flame over giant, burn it bright. Guide my soul through the endless night. Flame over giant, keep me warm through the calm, through the storm. Waves crash loud, but the fire won't drown. The sky turns red as the sun goes down. Roots run deep where the flames take hold. A burning truth, a story told. Under the mango tree I sit so still. The earth it hums, the roots they thrill. Colors dance where the sunlight spills. God in Everliving, it calls my name. Whispering winds, they fan the flame. God in Everliving, always the same. the rivers flow. Roots so deep they know no end. Every leaf my only friend. Garden ever living, always the same. Echoes of the moonlight bouncing off the dew. A symphony of green and gold I walk into. Time stands still and the world feels new. In your garden, roots grow strong under the sun where we belong. The earth is humming a sacred song. The breeze whispers we ain't wrong. Your garden roots, deep and wide. Feel the rhythm, let it guide. Your garden roots, where love abides. Roots so strong they'll never divide. Rain falls soft on the thirsty ground. Each drop a blessing so profound. Leaves sway to the drum's sweet sound. Harmony in life, it's all around. Oh, the soil knows, the roots know too. The truth of life is breaking through. Your garden roots, deep and wide. Feel the rhythm, let it guide. Your garden roots, where love abides. Roots so strong they'll never divide. The moonlight kisses the mango tree. Stars above dance in unity. Echoes of drums and chant decree. Freedom lives where the roots run free. as Thorny comes. Sunrise burns through the haze, mountains glow in golden blaze. The dew whispers secrets to the earth, roots dig deep, searching for rebirth. Morning of Zion, rise up strong. Morning of Zion, where we belong. Morning of Zion, sing that song. Freedom's rhythm, it won't be long. Winds carry stories from the sea, a song of struggle, a call to be free. Clouds drift like ships across the blue. The sky's a canvas painted true. Feel the beat, it shakes the ground. Feel the heat, it wraps around. Morning of Zion, rise up strong. Morning of Zion, where we belong. Morning of lost, but the drums still pound. Truth is hidden where no light's found. The crow circles, no chains, unbound. Why do you fly so high, so free? What do you see that we can't see? Walk the path of the crow, where the rhythm runs low. Follow where the shadows go. Path of the crow. The trees sway slow with a secret breeze. Roots twist deep under mystery seas. The crow's cry echoes like a lost decree. Time bends here like it bends the leaves. mango moonlight glow, where the wild breeze whispers low. I hear the drums, they tell me so. Throne of lion, crown of gold, stand unshaken, fierce and bold. Throne of lion, ancient tale, through the thunder we prevail. Roots so deep they touch the core. Through the fire we restore. Echoes dance on the ocean rise up, hear the call. Oh, stand tall, never fall. Throne of lion, crown of gold, stand unshaken, fierce and bold. Throne of lion, enchanted, through the thunder we prevail. The earth hums low, the sky turns red. Mystic visions fill my head. The lion roars, the chains are shed. stretch where the green hills bow. Every step writes a story somehow. Roots in the earth, I'm anchored now. But the sky calls, I'll take my vow. One step forward, never back. Feel the bassline, it keeps me on track. Troddin, catch, we move, we sway. Troddin, catch, come what may. Troddin, catch, hear the beat play. Catch the rhythm, don't delay. Echoes bounce like waves on the sea. Time dissolves, it's just you and me. The drums, they speak, they set us free. Feel the dub, let it be. Walking through the valley where the shadows fall. Feet on the earth, but my soul feels tall. The wind comes low, it knows it all. Walking with Jah, walking so free. The sun and the moon, they guide me. Walking with Jah under the tree. The rhythm of life, it's all I see. Raindrops dance on my shoulder. whisper secrets, carries my name. Fire burns wild, never the same. The path ahead twists like a flame. Oh, the path ahead, it don't play no game. Wind, fire, path, where do you lead? Wind, fire, path, plant the seed. Wind, fire, path, to the stars I plead. Wind, fire, path, set me free indeed. Smoke curls high, dances with the sky. Footsteps fall, but I don't ask why. Roots hold me steady, branches reach wide. Oh, roots hold me steady, the earth's my guide. The wind sings low, the fire cracks loud. The path hums soft like a hidden crowd. Shadows stretch long, the sun takes a bow. Oh, shadows stretch long, what's the truth now? Wind, fire, path, where do you lead? Wind, fire, path, plant the seed. Wind, fire, path, to the stars I plead. Wind, fire, path, set me free indeed. Ashes to ashes,